Hello everyone! Today, we come together to a large-scale chicken farm in Indiana to see how the chickens here are raised. The process of raising chickens starts with miniaturization and incubation of eggs. Chicken eggs are placed in incubator where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled to create the best conditions for the development of obtained eggs. The eggs are incubated for a period of 21 to 28 days until the chicks begin to walk at night. After sleeping, the chicks are moved here for health checks and vaccinations. In addition, the farmer will also remove the weaker and have health problems to focus on taking care of the strongest ones. After completing the inspection process, thousands of chickens will be brought back to the farm, where they start a new life in a spacious environment, modernly equipped, ensuring comfort, maximizing comfort and development. This chicken farm is capable of raising 12,000 to 14,000 chickens simultaneously. This is a broiler farm, where these chickens will stay for the rest of their lives until they reach the conditions for moving to the processing plant. Currently in the United States, there are about 25,000 broiler farms, and the number of broiler chickens raised in the country has surpassed 9 billion. And this is a huge industry in this country. According to data from the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, in 2021, the production of corn for poultry feed at farms across the country is about 17 million tons. Meanwhile, soybean production for poultry production also amounted to about 4 million tons that year. These are 1-month-old chicks, and the daily chores are simple but important. They spend most of their time on basic activities like eating, sleeping, and walking around in their cages. This stage, they are provided with nutrient-rich food to ensure the development and growth of the body. Chickens will consume food and water regularly throughout the day, helping to provide the necessary nutrients for their bodies and growth. After going through the developmental stage, the chickens are considered mature when they reach the age of 3 to 4 months. At this point, the average weight of each chicken fluctuates around 7 pounds. This is the time when chickens have reached a relatively large size and weight, and they have grown enough to enter the next stage of their life cycle. This farm has about 1,000 pounds of chicken manure, which represents the amount of breakdown accumulated during the daily chicken raising process. Through the rearing process, chicken manure is collected and transported to a storage or treatment area. The sturdy conveyor system helps to reduce the effort in moving this amount of chicken manure, while ensuring the farm environment is kept clean and hygienic. After more than 3 months in captivity at this farm, thousands of chickens will be evaluated and tested to ensure that they meet quality and safety standards. Chickens that meet these criteria will be sent to chicken processing plant. The qualified chickens will be transported through the conveyor system to be transported outside the farm. The chickens will be loaded into special trucks prepared in advance to be transported to the chicken processing plant. This is what's going on in the chicken processing plant. Every minute is about 170 chickens are processed and prepared to become chicken products. In the United States, there are approximately 5,300 chicken processing plants operating in the country. These factories play an important role in the livestock industry and supply chicken to consumers. At the chicken processing plant, thousands of chickens are prepared to have their feathers cleaned before processing. The feather cleaning process begins with the introduction of chickens into special mechanical equipment. This unit will contain boiling or hot water with precisely controlled temperature and pressure. This modern machinery equipment will clean chicken feathers within 30 minutes. Next, the chicken legs will be cut off and the internal organs will be removed and cleaned. Then the chicken will be put into brine tank. Brine tanks usually contain brine of right concentration and ratio to clean and tenderize chicken. The chicken will be soaked in a brine tank for a short period of time, usually about 4 minutes. This process removes impurities and enhances moisture in the chicken, while tenderizing and cleaning the surface of the meat. This is the process of separating the chicken. Chickens are usually separated into main parts, such as wings, thighs, back, chest, neck, and other appendages. These portions are separated from each other and prepared for individual packaging or used in other chicken products. Once the parts have been separated, they are moved into the next stage of the manufacturing process, which includes packaging, marking, and preparation for shipping. Currently, the United States has about 23.7 million chickens slaughtered every day. Indiana alone is about 2.3 million chickens slaughtered every day. But it is still not the largest chicken-producing state in the country. Georgia is the country's largest chicken producer, with about 1.4 billion pounds of chicken produced in 2021, according to U.S. Department of Agriculture data. This is followed by Arkansas and Alabama. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and I hope that information in this video has helped you in better understanding how chicken is produced in the United States. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos on the topic of agriculture.